I want to say that today we have had a very successful meeting between the party organs, and we want to thank the chair and also our party leader for convening this meeting. For the record, we have our national chair here, Nelson Zuya, who has been our chair for the longest, and he is still our chair. We have the entire NEC here. We have the parliamentary group, and more importantly, we also have the MCA's caucus here, led by their chairman. For the record, Jubilee is the third largest party in the National Assembly. We have, for the record, 28 MPs in the National Assembly. We have 5 senators in the Senate. We have 1 governor, and we have 126 MCAs spread across the entire Republic of Kenya. And that one is a clear manifestation that Jubilee is a national party, and we totally disassociate ourselves with any person trying to purport that Jubilee is a regional party. Jubilee is a national party. And that one has to sink in the mind of others, that Jubilee is a national party. Secondly, we are happy, and it has been mentioned by our leader, Honorable Kioni, that Jubilee now has been recognized as a parliamentary party. And we want to really thank the wise leadership of the National Assembly. We are still moving around to make sure that Jubilee is also recognized even at the county level. That all our counties, starting from Nairobi, that our MCAs will be properly recognized as independent members of the county. Not independent, but they will be called county. The county parties is a political party. In that, it means that the slots that are due for you, that were taken by that abusive marriage of ODM, you still reclaim your positions. In Nairobi, you are supposed to have many slots. Unfortunately, they were taken by ODM. In areas whereby you have proper and well organization working together with our counties, we will not, touch on that. If you have a good relationship and working relationship with your county government, that's okay. We have seen Kioni going around purporting to conduct elections. I am the director of elections. The chairman of the board of elections is here. The NEC has not sanctioned any election. So whatever is happening there, it is just political, dramatization, and actually those are kicks over dying horse. There are no elections that have been ordered. Jubilee is a party that has order and structure, and when we will call for elections, we will make it public and known. But going around counties, purporting, to usurp powers that they don't have, purporting to replace members, of the chairs and the officials of the party, we want to say and assure our members that by next year, when the proper NEC will sit and the organs will sit, we will be able to give that direction.